Have you ever tried kefir, an ancient fermented milk drink that's been around for thousands of years? Today, we're exploring its origins, how it's made, and why it might be good for your gut health. Kefir originated in the Caucasus Mountains thousands of years ago, where people would ferment milk from cows, goats, or sheep using kefir grains. These grains are a mix of bacteria and yeasts. The word kefir comes from the Turkish term kif, meaning good feeling, reflecting its believed health benefits. It's a common drink at meals in West Asia and Eastern Europe. Kefir is rich in probiotics that can improve digestion by introducing beneficial bacteria into the gut, potentially enhancing overall digestive health. The fermentation process involves kefir grains, which contain a mixture of lactic acid bacteria and yeasts. This unique combination gives kefir its distinct taste and properties, different from yogurt. Recent studies have shown that homemade cow milk kefirs, HCMK, has beneficial microbial, chemical, nutritional, and antioxidant properties, making it a health-conscious choice. In summary, kefir is not just an antioxidant properties, making it a health-conscious, ancient drink. Its unique blend of probiotics and nutrients can offer digestive benefits that are still being explored today. Did you know about the health benefits of kefir? Let us know in the comments if you've tried this ancient drink and how it's affected your digestive health.